So this is really cool. This is called a tuned mass damper. This is a huge weight on these damped hydraulic cylinders that's at the top of a skyscraper. In this case, there's a 6.8 earthquake going on, and we can see that this is really swinging. It's trying to counteract the movement of the building to keep the building from swaying and getting severe damage during the earthquake. So there's a lot of dynamics going on here. There's the structure of the building and how it's swaying in response to the earthquake. There's the complex, oh yeah, you can really see it's really moving now. There's the complex ground movement that's going on as different phases of the earthquake occur and get to the building. This is a system that has saved a lot of lives and a lot of structures. And it's really showing you what we can do once we understand the physics of earthquakes, the physics of vibration in buildings, and we can do some incredible engineering feats like this.